welcome back to my channel. If you're here watching for the first time, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I am going to do something different. It's not gonna be any DIYs, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my new house. We just bought a house, yay! So I'm so excited about it because it's been a long journey, so we finally get the house. So I'm so excited, guys. Keep watching if you wanna see my new home. It's a 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. It's a really nice home. So keep watching if you wanna see the new empty house. And I want you guys to decorate the house with me. So when I'm gonna start get furniture and decorate the house, I'm gonna share all the videos with you. And I finally have someplace to put all my DIYs. So after I make them, so I can put them in some nice places and share them with you. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Share all the videos with your family and friends, and let me know what do you think. If you like my new home, my new house, leave me a comment below and like it. Thank you again so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright, okay everyone, welcome. So this area, it's going to be the living room. It's not a big space, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put one couch. In that corner over there, I'm gonna do a little bar and put one accent chair.
Okay.
And the entry gonna be next to it because I'm gonna save the wall to put some pictures. Alright, guys, so now this is the stairs we're gonna go up after. This is the kitchen. It's a really nice kitchen, brown color. I'm thinking about painting the cabinet white and gray because I don't like dark cabinet. So the kitchen, the dining, and the family room, it's just one big room. It's all together. So now we're going upstairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs. It's 3 bedrooms. The half bathroom is downstairs. Forgot to show you guys the half bathroom. This is a space for office. So I'm gonna do an office here. And this is the master bedroom. It's pretty big. And we have here the master bathroom. It's really nice. We have a bathtub, walk-in shower, and then a walk-in closet. A really nice decent closet. This is the master bedroom. I'm going out now. This is the office space that I already showed you guys. It's pretty big. I'm thinking about putting a couch and our desk in there. This is the 1 guest bedroom. This is the guest bathroom. It's a pretty good size. It's really nice. And then this is the other guest bedroom. Alright, guys, so this is it. I'll show you guys more of the house when I start decorating. For now, that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna show you guys next is the backyard. I almost forget about the backyard. We have a really big backyard. Here we go, guys. This is the patio we're looking at. We're thinking about closing the patio. And this is the backyard. It's huge. You can build another house in the backyard. It's really nice. I love it, guys. Okay, so this is the house. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more